In this video, I'm going to show you how to stake ETH on Ledger Live. Now, first of all, if you need any new Ledger devices, you can use my link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment to get the official Ledger devices at the best prices as well as some bonus Bitcoin, and you'll also support my channel that way. So to actually stake ETH or Ethereum on Ledger Live, go to the Earn tab here on the left. And then from here, go to Earn Opportunities at the top right, and you'll be able to see your available assets. If you have any Ethereum inside your wallet, you'll be able to see it here on the list. But if you don't, you can just go down here where it says ETH, click on Get ETH, select your wallet, your account here, and then you can go ahead and buy it or swap into it, or basically just receive it from your different wallet that where you may hold some ETH. Okay, so after you have some ETH, you'll be able to see it here on the list, and then you just have to click on the Earn button next to it and then press Continue. And then you're going to have to select something here in the list. So basically just select the one you want. Usually the first one is going to be selected. I'm just going to leave this one as it is. You can press Continue. And then here you can see the summary. If you're happy with everything, click on Continue. And then you're going to have to connect and unlock your physical Ledger device. So connect it, unlock it, and confirm whatever it says on your screen. And then after you go through the confirmation process, you've basically successfully started staking ETH or Ethereum on Ledger Live. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.